Righto, I'm just going to take you through a little bit more of a complex order. This involves allocating a table number for a group that's going to have lunch here. Generally we will do this at the Top Shop. We generally counter service, but we have a bunch of different tables, so we kind of cross over between counter service and a cafe style restaurant. Of course, Kounta can provide this with the software, no problem. And now I'll just demonstrate how we can do that. Let's imagine Mary is here arrived here for lunch. She's about to meet her friends. They're not here yet. We're going to get her a cold drink and allocate a table to her. So Mary, let's get you a berry smoothie, and what we're going to do is open up a table for her, and we can do that a couple of different ways. We can start off the order by actually opening a table by hitting this button, or pretty simple just to do it this way and add a link to the order. So we're going to add this link here. We're going to put it down on table 12, and if she's a regular customer, we can actually search her on a database, which is a handy feature there as well. She's not, so we're just going to shoot that order through to the kitchen and put a bill on hold, so they can fix it up later. So that's just gone through the kitchen. They're going to make her up her cold drink while she waits for her friends. So by this time her friends may have arrived, and they're going to shoot up to the counter and order their lunch. That's pretty easy to do. What we're going to do is just open up the tables here. This will actually show us all the tables that we have open at any given time. Of course, we've just got the one open table here, table 12, and this is also where you can come to create a new order if you need to. So we're going to open up table 12 here, and Mary's friends are ready to add something to their table. We're going to open up our lunch menu here. Let's give them a beef burger, chicken salad, and a fish burger with a gluten-free bun. There we go. From here, we've already allocated them the table number, so what we're going to do is just send it through by hitting the whole button there. That's actually gone through just about. It looks like I have to sign in here again. There we go. And that's gone through. So when they come up to pay at the end of their lunch, another very simple process. We can open that up right here, and let's do a checkout here with a little bit of a different option. Okay, they want to split it up, and they can do it from this little screen here. It's pretty easy. You can go to the tendered amount here and choose cash, put a certain amount in, say $20, and the other person may want to pay on FBOS or card for $25. So that's pretty easy. What we'll do here is just take it through to quick cash. Someone's tendered $50. Fantastic. There we go. $5 change. I want to show you how to print a receipt. Someone wants a tax invoice. We just hit print here, and that'll print out on our setup right by the copy machine. So I'm just going to grab that. There we are, folks. Hope you can see that. All the detail of that lunch right there on the tax invoice. So very handy, very easy, and that's a really nice, easy, quick way to allocate tables, have them all open, and have them all closed off when the person comes to pay. So very effective, and it's worked well for us. I'm just going to show you some of the other features of Kounta that I really love. Of course, it's an iPad now. iPads can be used in portrait or landscape. Let's have a look at little look at portrait there. As you can see, looks a little bit different layout, and that may appeal to some. And you've got a list there of all the items. It comes up a little bit different. You can actually view that in landscape exactly the same, and just by hitting the view button up here, changes the view of the actual items and the modifications there. Down the left hand side, you can add photographs to fully feature each item, and you can scroll up and down, of course. So a nice little feature there. I really like the feature with Kounta that you can access the back office direct from the iPad, direct in the shop. You can add items, change items, etc., etc., and get access to all your reports and so on direct from the iPad while you're on the go in the actual shop. So really, really nice feature there. Up the top here, we can manage users from this button here. That's where you can manage your staff. They can have allocated passcodes that can give them access to different features. The K menu here is the access to the back office. You can organize and move items around here from the move button, which is pretty good, and of course that's the view button. Help button directly on here as well. Running into any problems, you can get that direct right there. So let's go to the K menu and just have a look at the great fully featured back office. So basically here, these are all before we actually enter the back office, these are the tools of what you may require during the day's trade. For instance, monitoring current takings, finalize those takings, pay cash out, put change in, manually open the cash drawer, etc., etc. So just up here also we have full access to our back office. So we're going to come through to here, and this is where we can manage products, add products, etc., etc. So manage your printers. You can do everything from here. So I really like this feature, and we can go straight back to the polish here. Look, all in all, I absolutely love the product. I think it's got a big future, and it's working well for us right here at Topshop, and I'm sure it's going to be working well for a lot more people in the future. So thanks for watching my demo, and we'll be in contact soon.